Located 650 kilometres northwest of Adelaide, South Australia, you will find the BHP Prominent Hill Mine, producing one of the highest grades of copper concentrate in the world. At the heart of this world-class operation is the ABB mine hoist system, safely and sustainably transporting 6 million tonnes of ore per year from deep underground to the surface. This production hoist is estimated to extend the life of the mine by 4 years. Importantly, the revised hoist shaft provides access to mineral reserves outside of the current mine plan for haul trucks. Without this new design, the mine would have been unable to meet its sustainability targets for 2023. As it operates autonomously, the hoist will remove people from hazardous situations and is fitted with the highest level of safety solutions on the market, all meeting SIL 3 certification. The BHP Prominent Hill Mine in Australia is an example of where ABB has delivered a hoist system that is safer and more sustainable. It demonstrates real progress in action. So what role does a hoisting system play in the wider picture of sustainable mining? Underground mining is essential to sourcing the metals and minerals required for the world's energy transition. As ore bodies near the surface get depleted, miners are compelled to go deeper. And this is where mine hoists come in. They are crucial for efficiently transporting minerals from underground as deep as 3 kilometres to the surface. What's exciting is how modern hoist technology is engineered for sustainability. Modern mine hoists are equipped to handle extreme depths, allowing access to untapped mineral resources without the need for extensive new surface infrastructure. As the mining industry is currently responsible for up to 7% of greenhouse gas emissions, solutions must be explored that reduce emissions, while increasing production at the same time to meet global demand. When miners choose hoists to move ore from depths, they are choosing the transport option that has the lowest carbon footprint, even amongst all electric options. In fact, hoists are the fastest and safest way of moving ore. They also emit zero emissions and can run on clean energy. ABB has been working on hoist systems for the mining sector for over 130 years and is the only OEM delivering complete systems based on their own design for electrical products and mechanical equipment. Together with our mining partners, we can ensure hoists are constructed and serviced to reduce a mine's environmental footprint, whilst maximising availability and uptime. We provide an end-to-end service, including planning, commissioning, and maintenance. With a lifespan of several decades and offering high levels of equipment availability, mine hoists typically outlive the life of a mine and can even be repurposed to different mine sites. Mine hoist technology is not just about digging deeper, it's about digging smarter, and that's real progress in mining. Want to learn more? Download our comprehensive and free white paper.